Hello. Oh, you catty, 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 cat. You catty, 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 cat. So, sorry about the lack of videos. Again, I've been slacking off. It's hard with school starting and all that jazz. But here we are with the cat. I hope you understand. And yeah. But hey, if you don't know who this is, come here. This is Maggie. She is awesome. Oh, cutie. Yeah. For some reason, I don't know why, I feel like there's gonna be some new people in this video. Oh, not new people in the video, watching the video. I don't know why, I just have a bit of a hunch. If you know what I mean. So, I think she wants this great toy we have here. So, Maggie, here we go. I don't think I have much room, so forgive me if the video is not long or it abruptly ends, because the abrupt ending might be telling me I don't have enough room. I think when it does that, it stores all the footage I've already captured. Maggie, wanna play? She doesn't want to play. Oh, now that I dropped the toy, she does. Apparently, someone is being a nuisance. I think she wants treats. What am I saying? Maggie always wants treats. Maggie's big on food. Dora, my other cat, is big on cleanliness. I mean, all cats are big on both, but Maggie's more big on food. Dora's more big on cleanliness. Oh, Maggie's a bit of a pig. But we got them new treats recently. They love them. Dora was getting tired of the old treats. Maggie can eat the same thing. And always... Maggie? Is something wrong? Nope. All good, people. All good. Dora? Wait. They're not closed in the garage. I shouldn't open that because they love being in the garage. But let's just watch Maggie eat some treats. Well, I share some fun facts about cats. Cats can see in ultraviolet. Some of you may already know these. They can drink ocean water and it like quenches their thirst. It's probably not good for them, but their livers are strong enough that if they were stranded on a desert island, they could drink ocean water. And nope. Leave one for Dora. Dora? You want? You want? Whoop. Dora, are you full? See, Dora's not so big on food. I'm just gonna give it to Maggie. I think Dora wants some. I'll grab some for Dora. Maggie got all of those. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get more on the video game. It's just school's starting and I've changed schools and it's really stressful, so yeah. Dora? Maggie took one. I wasn't looking at their faces, which is the primary way you can tell which one's which. Sometimes you can tell by sock length, but Dora, you want some? Oh, yep, Dora wants them. Maggie wants some more. No. Nope. No treats for you. You've already had them. You're gonna get fat, I tell you. You want rest? I'm gonna hide these. More. You'll never find them. And just to make it even harder, I'm gonna refill their food bowl with this nice cat food. Refill their food bowl. Nice cat food. To make the treats even more difficult to find. I mean, it's not like they're gonna go bad. This cat food's been sitting in the bag for weeks. The treats are probably the same. They're supposed to use a scoop, but I mean, they lick our hands. Our hands aren't filthy. I mean, they are after we use our hands for this. Maybe that's why they have a scoop. Not because you're at risk of contaminating the cat food with a deadly disease. But, hey, if the cat food companies are watching this, let me know. Why do you have a scoop? I doubt they are, but hey, if they search whatever the title of this video is going to be, or they just found it randomly looking at cat videos, because, I mean, who doesn't watch cat videos? I would say if you don't watch cat videos, leave it in the comments. But this is a cat video. Isn't it, Maggie? Maggie's like, all you. Isn't it cute? I'm being silly. This is a cat video. And my iPad's actually lasting a lot longer than I expected. Cozy down and cozy down. So they were being really cute up on my window ledge earlier. So yeah. Also, cats have whiskers on their paws as well as their face and cheeks and muzzle and that whole thing, which is interesting. I'm gonna see if I can show you. Maggie, coming out. Maggie does not want. Maybe if I pet her while doing so. No, she just